This is not a quick speed shop. We're in the Model A Hot Rod Shop truck and we're going for a ride. Here we go. I'm a professional. Don't try this at home. Oh man, it's like flies all over the place out here. It's what, from being cold to being like 60 degrees today, there's flies all over the place. The honey wagon must have spread some manure in the field. There's got to be like a million flies out, like they're all in the window up there. Gross! So it's like a 60-degree spring day here today, and I've got to go to my restaurant later on. We have like a cruise night over there, which hasn't really started yet, but since it's 60 degrees, I want to go ahead and get something fired up and get it so I can drive it out over there. So I got the Model A shop truck here. I think I'm going to fire that up and get it on out of here. I got a pile of nonsense in the way. I got to pull the red Jeep on out here, but it looks like there's a bunch of fluid under it. What's going on here? What in the world? You got a fuel leak there. It's leaking fuel out of the fuel pump or the line. I got to take a look at that. That's a bummer. Looks like it's been doing it for a while. It's on the ground there, so I got to take a look at that for a second. Down here, we got the fuel pump. See those fittings there? I got a little bit of leak here. It was leaking out. But back in the fall or beginning of winter, I put a new water pump on here. Painted the front of the engine block some industrial gray. But this thing should be good. I got fresh paint on it. Got a bunch of junk on the back that I got to put away eventually. But in the meantime, let's see if we can fire the sucker up and pull it on out of here. All kinds of stuff. Well, let's go ahead and see if the sucker will fire up here. Hopefully the battery's got some charge. I'll pull on the choke. Pump her a couple times. I should probably look and see if it's got gas in it first. Hold on, let me do that. Alright, we got some gas. Let's give her a whirl here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Should have put the charger on it. Come on, man. It's not cranking very fast. Oh, there we go. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. Bam. There we go. Let her warm up for a minute here. And we'll go back in there and we'll get the Model A truck and get it off it's on the dollies. We'll swing it around, get her on out, and fire that sucker up. First thing I do is I got a floor jack for in here. This is a Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile jack. I got this from Harbor Freight. I won't help you. Oh man. I did a video on floor jack shootout about a year ago. I've got an orange one of these I use all the time in my upper shop, and I got another one for down here. They work good. They pump up fast, so I'm going to go ahead and bust it out and use it on the truck here. So I've had good luck with these Daytona jacks. So I did a video on it. You can look on my channel. It's titled Floor Jack Shootout. Or maybe I'll put it in the description, but you can see a video I did on these, and they work pretty good. So I'm going to bust this one out, and we'll use it to get the truck off the skates here. Bang. I like these because they got the handle, they go up, but they also got a foot pump to go up. They work pretty good. This one's cool in the lime green, I like it. Matches the Quick Speed Shop logo. Should be able to just drag this on over here, I think. Come on, come on, man. So there we go, let's climb in the sucker and see if she'll fire up. Ah, it's tight like a tiger. Let's see here. Let's see if this thing will fire off. Yeah, man. Sounding pretty good. I think we're going to take this thing for a ride in a little bit. And we'll see how she made out over the winter. I can check the air pressure and the tires and stuff like that. But I think it'd be cool to take her for a spin down to lunch today. Looks like it survived winter all right in there. There's a pile of dead bugs that fell off the grill over the winter on the ground. That was kind of funny. She's a little grungy from sitting under the tarp when I had it outside for a while. And holy smokes, look at this. I used fluid film up under this to make sure I didn't get any rust up under when I glued the roof on. Look at how far it's crept down on this black primer out of there. It just like crept that way on its own over the winter. That's crazy. Holy smokes. It's creeping down here around too where I put some on the box. That stuff creeps everywhere. Here we go. My light truck action, shop truck action. Here we go. There we go.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Hey, we'll see you guys.
See ya. was fun. I went to lunch there. Lunch slash dinner, sun's going down. Got the old Model A high rod shop fired up here. She runs good. And I gotta get my front end dribble situation straightened out. I don't know if it's the tires or what's going on here. I gotta look into that because it drives me nuts. But we got the first cruise of the year in here. It's not even April yet. That's awesome. So I had fun. Hope you guys had fun moving junk around today in the pole barn and getting stuff out. It's gonna be good weather. We're gonna be doing a lot of cool stuff on the channel this year. So stay tuned, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you again with more hot rod fun at the Quick Speed Shop.